Here it is. Alright. Heck yeah. Today we'll be unboxing some parts I got for Snow White. I went to our local auto performance shops and he said he could get it within 2 hours or within today, and exactly 2.5 hours he called me and I went and picked it up. I'm gonna remove and replace the shocks on this one. I had an Apex C or Apex I, and it's been on there for quite some time. I've had it since late 90s, and plus this car, when I had that suspension on there, it's been in 3 places in the continental USA. This car has been in San Francisco, stayed in San Francisco, Dallas, Texas, and also Chicago, Illinois. And you know how it is over there during winter time, where very, very brutal with all the snow. So these shocks have seen some rain and salt, and to the point where I couldn't adjust the shocks anymore. The collar and the perch, it seized up on me. Yeah, it seized up to the point where I have to use a pipe wrench to turn it, just to adjust it. And it's all corroded and everything. Even the springs, I have to repaint the springs because the original paint, it's already, the salt ate it up already. And like I said, I'll be unboxing the part, and hope you guys stay with me, and hope you guys like it, and soon I'll be installing that shocks. All right. Yeah, I was laying down resting when he called me. I said, "Oh man, how cool!" I said, "Let's go." Yeah, one thing nice about it is I don't have to wait 3 or 4 days. Nice. Oh man, this thing's dope. Wow. Very nice. And This is you could adjust them. 36 way. Is that supposed to be on there? I guess I better put it back in. Come on. Got all the instructions right here. Let me see if I can. I need both of my hands. Got the tool right here and some instructions manual. Oh! Wonder what this for. Alright, but I am way beyond. Sure, there's plenty of adjustment here. What I have on there is Apex C. Yeah, that's what I have. And to the point where it sees stop here, the color perch. I ended up, I couldn't turn it anymore with the tool that it came with. I ended up to the point where I have to use the pipe wrench to turn it. That's how bad it is. And like I said, I couldn't adjust it anymore. So that's why I went and got one. This is not my #1 choice, by the way. I was eyeing on FF2, function and form. I was gonna get that one. But when I saw this on, it's got it on sale for the price and also the dampening, and I couldn't pass it up. So I went and got this one. And before I went to his store, I did my research and some review, and they're both within the range. I mean, as far as like quality and function and all that. And I'll find out to the test. I know what I have on there. It passed all my expectation. Like I said, that shocks has been on there, and it's been on the 3 corners of the continental USA with no problem. And up to this date, it still works. It's just that I couldn't adjust them anymore. But this is very nice. Wow. Well, guys, here it is, and I got it. I am stumped. Let me see. Yeah, they could have get a better find a better way of or built a better way. Yeah, well, you can feel it. So I'm gonna start all the way down. Start from there. Cool. Yeah. Well, again, Jason, thank you very much for getting the parts in a timely manner within the 2-hour period, and I don't know what to say. Thanks a lot. Well, guys, and oh, I want to thank everyone for subscribing on my channel, and it's going up. I couldn't believe it's almost 170 now, and thanks to you all, and Alright, you'll be seeing this soon. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys back. Bye bye. Hey dude, that's it.